Hey, what's up guys? Dr. Tan here. Hope you guys are doing well out there, my dentists and hygienists. I'm here at one of my 2 dental offices and I want to go over how to look good and feel good while doing dentistry. So with this, I would say there are 3 steps. Number 1, select a character. Nope. Yeah. Number 2, find the right outfit. You have the option between comfort or professional attire. I recommend a professional attire, such as a business casual, a white coat. Nowadays with the virus, disposable gown on top of your business casual will be nice. And then number 3 is finding the most ergonomic loops. Loops are very important. Without loops, your posture is out of whack. You have a very arched back, your neck and spine is out of alignment, your head is really severely forward. With traditional loops like through the lens and flip down loop, it improves your posture. However, you still have that forward head tilt, which over time can cause a lot of neck strain. The next generation loops is Hero Loupes. Hero Loupes not only addresses that, but also allows you to view that working area with a very nice head posture, the most ergonomic. Your elbows are tucked in and your neck and head is aligned. Hero Loupes, you see that you have a comfortable, relaxed posture, which is good for your body, healthy for your career. With the Hero Loupes, when you put them on, you can actually view your working area, so you can actually see below you. That's it guys, thank you for tuning into our video. We do have other videos that you can view that goes over the top 5 features of Hero Loupes. And if you do like this video, do give us a thumbs up, subscribe. If you want to find more information about Hero Loupes, check our website and we'll see you next time. Thank you.